All right, welcome to my show. Today we're gonna actually make ice cream. Now this ice cream is gonna be made of Oreos. We're gonna heavy whipping cream and regular milk, vanilla extract. So first of all, what we're gonna do a chocolate chip, cookies and cream. All right, pretty much. So what you want to do is, we got 2 bags just in case. You want to fill up your bag first with cookies. So start with the cookies. Fill up the cookies as much as you can, like maybe 7 cookies, I would say. Maybe 7. All right. Get them all in there, nice and neat. So once you have 7, maybe more, give me some more. How many are they? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, the next one's, that's it. All right, and one more. Give me one more. That one's for me. Oh, all right. Ziploc, make sure there's no air. We're gonna use the flat end, all right, of it. So crush them. Keep going. That's all right. All right, I think that's good enough. Let me see one more time. Let me see. Dad power. Okay, that's good enough. So that's what we want to see. All right, consistency. We got everything we need. Now we're gonna put this on the side. We're gonna start with the ice cream, making the ice cream first. All right, so we get this. And we pour at least 1 cup, all right, of all this in there. All right, 1 cup of that. All right, that's good right there. So we have 1 cup on it, all right, and it's measuring. Now we're gonna actually add 1 scoop of this, all right, 1 spoon, or half a teaspoon, all right, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, right, because it's too strong. So half, or maybe less, depends, all right. So I'm gonna do this for her. Steady hands, just a little bit. That's enough. And sometimes you want to do more, it's up to you, but right now I'm just gonna do that first. We're gonna taste it, and if it needs it, we're gonna add some more. Now we want to do 3 tablespoons of sugar, all right? So 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2,
3.
Now what I want to do is maybe half a cup of regular milk, all right? Now people, if you want to make it more sugary, I suggest do more of the condensed milk and other stuff, right? So half a cup to get to the 12 ounce. So get to this point with the milk. Going. All right, now what we want to do is get a fork or whisk, all right, your call. So we're gonna start mixing it up here. We're gonna look out of the way. All right, just hold on there. We're gonna taste it with this spoon, all right? So it's whatever little taste, and it tastes like vanilla mixed with like an ice cream, kind of a light dry ice cream here. So you have to taste it if it needs more sugar.
It's really good. It tastes like vanilla bean, like exactly like vanilla
Perfect.
bean ice cream.
So we're done with this, not completely. So if you add this in right now, it's gonna turn into chocolate. You don't want to do this. You add this when you actually start seeing the ice cream. That's when you start extracting more of these, so you can actually get more solids mixed with this. But because if you mix this right now with it right now, it's gonna give you a flavor that you're not gonna. It's more chocolate. Okay, so this is ready to go. For my tasting, I would suggest 1 more spoon of this.
1 more.
Sugar. There you go. That's good. Now mix it up. One last taste, all right?
It's good.
Okay, so now that we're doing this, we're gonna move this to the side. All right, clean your area. We're gonna use this in a bit right now, but let's go ahead and bring the ice cream machine. Now for the ice cream machine, you got the whisk system, all right? You got the funnel, all right? And you got the spinning system. Now the spinning system has 25 minutes to 35 minutes. We're gonna do it 35 minutes, but halfways, we're actually gonna add, depends, we might do 25 to 30 minutes to 35 minutes, depends, all right? Now, if you ever get something like this attaches very simple. It goes in the bottom of it, and when simple as that, you see that? It attaches automatically. On this ice cream, we are gonna add 1 or 2 of these because it increases the ice rotation to actually increase ice to make it even colder. If you guys don't know that, I'm gonna tell you that. In Mexico, what they do, they put a barrel, they ice it out, and they throw a lot of salt on it. It increases the actual coldness of it, increasing the actual contents of it to become ice cream. So if you ever ate Mexican ice cream, that's how it's made. But it's more complicated than this. They keep spinning it so it could rotate. But today we don't have to do none of that. We have a barrel. So let's get it out. All right, because we got a couple minutes with the barrel. We're gonna reuse it later too also. We froze it overnight. If you guys can see, there's also a consistency on it. There's a max line in there, if you guys can see that. So we're gonna put this here in this side. And then what we wanna do is start putting all the stuff together, right? And then if you wanna make caramel salt, you can do that too. And then we're gonna turn it on to 25 minutes and you're gonna start pouring, all right? Go start pouring it. Keep pouring it. I'll tell you when. Keep going. I don't see the max line yet. And with this, you can make gelato, ice cream, slushies. So it's been about like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and I could see it getting really thick down there, which is perfect. All right, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get somebody to help me. Oh, almost unlocked it. We're gonna move it to the right, and you're gonna get the little spoon and you're gonna start pouring them in there while we add the cookies. Come on this side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bend this down, and you're gonna pour as much as you can. Slowly, keep going. Not too much to go out. There you go. Keep going. All right, so we're done with it. I'm gonna take it out right now, back in the freezer, because we're gonna make some more ice cream tomorrow. But this is enough for today, for tomorrow. Look at this, guys. Look at that ice cream. Came out beautiful. So it's ready to go. I'm gonna grab a scoop and we're gonna set it up. So the ice cream machine actually finished charging too. So look at that, nice and creamy. And we're gonna move this out of the way. Okay. All right, so we got our pie here. That's for another show, all right? We're gonna open it up. We're gonna cut it, a little piece of pie, all right? Go all the way to the bottom. Try to make it as small as possible because I don't want to eat too late. There it goes. Got a little piece of cake done. There it goes. Crust is falling apart, but there we go. Oh, shoot. Save it with the spoon. There it goes. Look at that beautiful pie. All right. It's really good. So, don't want too much of a cake. Too much of a pie, I mean. Then we get our ice cream, homemade ice cream, to a scoop. Put it on the top, one piece. Put our ice cream away. Look at that. Beautiful homemade ice cream with cherry pie. Very simple to make your own ice cream. Enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.